Here are my 3 tips as an LCM piano teacher. Let's make this piece more understandable by defining the tonality. As you see, here is a B flat and the piece ends with a D. So we understand this piece is on D minor key. Let's have a look to D minor key. It starts on D, has a B flat and ends on D. Now we can find the first chord of this key, so it's D, F and A. And here in the piece we have D, A fifth. So let's say put your right hand first finger and the left hand's fifth finger to D's. With left hand you are doing this D and A fifth, and with the right hand you are starting from D. So this is your position for this piece. Be careful with the tight notes. Try to practice them separately and continue with a sustained legato in the left hand. And also here we have tight notes. Be careful about the B's because some of them are flat, some of them are not. Here we have G note tied. So let's keep it. Keep it because it's tied. And keep it, and now you have the last D and A. Follow the crescendo and decrescendo signs for the entire piece because we have many of them and it's easy. Just make it easy. Start with piano and rise with the higher notes, then decrease the voice with the lower notes. As you see, it's happening like this for the entire piece. Let me show you an example. Here we have F and it's going up and down. So naturally, when you go up, the voice is increasing, and when you go down, the voice is decreasing. Just try to use this natural thing. Just try to use it. And here in the last 2 bars we have ritardando, and it means a gradual slowing down of the tempo. So let's do it. And the most important tip is